What is up, you guys? We got a beautiful, cloudless, almost sundown day in this beautiful Lamborghini Aventador S with some nice diamond cut wheels that we fixed. Got some new tires for our good customer. Aventador S, some beautiful wheels. Very, very nice spec'd out car. Love it. It's not a roadster, unfortunately. I wish it was. Anyways, we're gonna just quickly drive this one around the block, do a quick little review. This one's absolutely beautiful. These rims that we did, they look fantastic. I'm really happy with the results. Look at that front end. Wow, that's so nice. All right, let's jump on in. We got the beautiful Lamborghini key. Boom. Doors go up, just how it's supposed to be. Aventador sign, lots of carbon, beautiful seat. Bam. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Lots of carbon on this car. Nice steering wheel. Oh, such a big, spacious car. I love it. The acoustics inside here feel really nice, sound nice. I can literally hear myself. It's kind of interesting. Wow, the sound like bounces off there and it comes back over here, which is super cool. Got the engine bay. Wow, that's super cool. Got a lot of carbon back there. Nice comfortable seats. Very, very nice. They are heated seats, which is cool. Some more carbon over there. Carbon seats. All right, let's get the seatbelt on for safety, even though we're just gonna drive it around the block, aka the parking lot. Flip up the switch and start her up. Oof, feels nice. By the way, if you guys didn't know, if you ever want to turn off the heating and cooling properly on a car, you press and you hold and then it'll turn off. Easy peasy, just like that. Alright, let's let it rev down so that all the oil can cycle properly. Then we'll disengage the parking brake by pressing on the brake, dropping it down just like that. Easy peasy. But yeah, what do we got here? New cluster, which is absolutely nice. Totally revamped transmission software, 6.5 liter V12 naturally aspirated engine. Very, very nice setup. Okay, so super comfortable steering wheel. Got to get it as close as possible to me so that I can drive nice and smoothly. And there we are, revving down. All right, so we got a couple options here. We got Sport, Corsa, and this Ego mode, which I believe is Eco mode, which is kind of funny. How can you have an Eco mode on an Aventador? Like, that's kind of interesting. Anyways, let's put it into first by pulling on the paddle and just carefully applying some throttle just to go forward. Oh, so smooth. Feels very nice. Got some brand new tires on this car so that it can feel nice and smooth when driving, and the brakes will actually work. Woo! Wow, that literally like forces the phone forward when it shifts. The kick is very, very interesting. That's nice. Okay, let's actually swing it around the block really carefully. Look both ways, no cars, we're good. Small, quiet, unused road. Oh, that drives so much smoother than a regular Aventador. Wow, the shift is so much smoother than on a regular LP 700-4. Oh, there's those active exhaust valves. Beautiful. Active aero or whatever you want to call it. Very, very nice. Driving super, super smooth. Feels good. Suspension is nice. Okay, we got it a little bit warmed up now, even though it's not at full operating temperature. We're not gonna go balls to the wall, but we are gonna give it a little bit of gas right now. Okay, let's turn around, throw it into sport mode. Boom, clickety click. Even the dash changes. Oh, there's that V12. Oh, nice pops. Wow, that feels good, and it pops nicely. Yo! Okay, the Aventador S, much smoother shifts than the regular LP700-4. Way better transmission software, much more smoother response from the throttle, and better engine downshifts. Feels much better. Software has been done very well. Wow, that feels really smooth. Very well done, Lamborghini. Very well. This car that they did, very nice. Wow, those little nice subtle pops and bangs, very, very smooth. Feel absolutely crisp. Love that sound. Wow, that little pop. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Feels so nice and smooth. Just unbelievably well done. Very, very well done. Okay, we're getting warmed up here. Wow, the throttle response and the downshifts. Oh my. Let's test out the brakes. Brakes are absolutely phenomenal. Wow, when you apply braking pressure, you will stop as long as the tires are warm and you have available traction. Very, very nice. Love it. Very, very happy with the performance of the brakes. Wow. Okay, let's quickly turn around. Sorry guys, 1 second. There we go. Turning radius on the car is actually pretty good. I wouldn't say it's perfect, but it does feel much, much smoother. There it is. Very nice grip on the turns. Feels very nice and smooth. Steering is nice and precise. Wow, nice, very good feeling. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Very smooth, very safe. You feel like you're in control the whole entire time. I would say that this is pretty much, I don't even know. No words to really describe it. This car feels like perfectly balanced. Very, very nice, very smooth again. It's got power, it's got braking pressure all the time, non-stop. Pedals feel nice and smooth. You got tons of space to do whatever you need to do. If you need to get going, the car gets going really quick. Braking, very smooth, very quick. Feels great. Feels very, very good. All right, guys, let's park this baby up. This absolute beautiful monster of a car. To throw it in reverse, you just do that. Got a rear view camera. Let's go nice and slow so that the front of the car gets on the proper angle. And boom, just like that, we are parked. Parking brake on. Let's throw it into neutral. Shut off the car. Boom, just like that, we are done. Very, very nice car. Very nice review. I dig it. Would I ever own an Aventador? Oh, I don't know. Maybe eventually. Like, let's keep this going, yo. Guys, I would really appreciate it if y'all subscribed so we can make stuff like this happen. Get actual cars to drive, to review, go on the track, have fun with cars like this, go and meet some of our friends and actually drive on rallies and go to the track and do meetups, maybe even do some racing, see what the C63 can do against cars like this. Like, yo, this is the life. This is the life. That's what I'm talking about. Let's see the exterior again, really quick. But yeah, car feels absolutely nice, smooth, planted on the ground, very nice aerodynamics on the car. The brand new front tires really do help with everything. Let's lock her up. Okay guys, with that being said, hope you all enjoyed that video, that quick little review of this Aventador S. I'll see y'all tomorrow with a new video. Peace guys.